Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday. We only have a few days left in July. What? So today, and I'm running late today, so we're gonna do a little bit of a combo video. So hello, good morning, and then I'm gonna speed the rest of it up. Woohoo! But only a few days left in July, which means there's only a few days left to get in on the July giveaway. It's for the Zen mascara and the Trio eyeshadow palette vintage season. To get in on this, to be entered, all you have to do is like and share the video, and then come back and comment on this video shared so I know it was you. I've seen some different shares, but no one's claimed them, so I don't know who did it. So yeah, enjoy today's makeup look. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and we'll see you next time.